Now on this video I'll be teaching us how to share Vista Post and earn our daily 300. So what you have to do now is, after you log in, you click back, click on these three lines that is here, then you see Vista Post. You click on Vista Post, so you see the post here. This is the post now, sponsored posts. So what you have to do is click on this place that is blue now, this sponsored post. When you click on it, the post would open, and then you scroll down and click on share. So when you click on share, it will take you to Vistalog's TikTok page. So what you have to do now is to follow the Vistalog account and like the videos. Like you like first three videos, and then go back to your Vistalog account. So you now go back to your dashboard and check if your money added. You go back to your dashboard and scroll down, so you see it here, Vista Post earnings 300 naira. So this is it here. It have added to your task balance. So this is how to earn with Vista Post.